Hi friends, Allie from AllieScraps here. I want to quickly share with you one of the things I'm doing for the 100-day project, and it's 100 days of Bible promises, and I'm going through the devotional journal from Shauna Noel of Illustrated Faith, and I'm just really excited to go through this. It's a beautiful, beautiful book. It has a devotional on one side with some verses and then prompts and prayers, and so this side is full of devotional content and this side's a little bit of blank space for you to actually journal in. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be journaling in this space for this project. I'm definitely going to be doing some stuff in my journaling Bible, but I'm really excited to just kind of really go through this and really dig in. And so I've also done a couple of printables in my shop that kind of coordinate with this. There's some alpha stickers that are stitched alphas and prayer request cards, and then I've also designed some pattern paper that comes in 12 by 12, 6 by 8, and 8.5 by 11. And so I'm really looking forward to kind of making some tip-ins, doing some punching with tabs, because I'm really trying to not spend money during this challenge. But I'm really excited to really dive in and get started. It starts on April 3rd and goes for 100 days, and there is also a private community with this, so be sure to check that out. And I'll leave all the links to all of this below, but I really hope you join us for the 100 days of Bible promises. And I'll be sure to update you and do some videos on what I'm doing in my journaling Bible. But before all that, grab the book and let's get started.